Okay, this is a visual test to show that the replacement to USB is also not working, same as the first one. So I'm going to do this test to show that they're not working. So I'm going to do this for maybe 3 minutes, starting now. It is now at 9:50 on my computer clock, and I'm just going to keep both of these little connector parts connected to my hand, and I'm going to put the tip to my fingers, as you can see, and just get that one going again. There we go. So there we go. Both lights on. Tips are touching my fingertips, and that one is off now. Okay, just get that going again. There we go. So I'm just going to hold it like that for 3 minutes if they stay on. Oh, that one's off. Okay, there we go. It's cold. These tips are cold to the touch, and I sent off for one of these to Banggood about 2 months ago, and it didn't work. And I don't know if it's something that I'm doing that's wrong, or what the story is. They don't ever heat up, is the story. And so they were kind enough to send a replacement, which is great. But still, the second one does not work either. And I don't know if it's something that I'm doing that's wrong. As you can see, both lights are on, which means that they're working, or supposed to be working at least. But these tips do not heat up. And if there's something somebody can tell me that I'm doing that's wrong, please let me know. I can't see any. I read the instructions, and I know that you're supposed to keep contact with that little metal ball that's in there, while at the same time making the connection down here. But still, they don't ever heat up. As you can see, full contact. It is now 9:52 on the clock. So that is 2 minutes since I first started doing this test. That light's off again. I just touched that. There we go, it's back on again. And still it doesn't heat up. It hasn't heated up once at all. So there, that one's gone now, and I just make that connection again. There we go, the light's back. And still, nothing's happening. That one's off. Make connection. There we go. Light's back. My thumb is getting sore now from squeezing these between them, and it's now 9:53. So that's 3 minutes I've had. That's off again. So 3 minutes since I've started this test, and both USB soldering irons don't heat up. If somebody can, if it's something I'm doing wrong, I'd be happy to fix it or write it and actually have one that's working. Otherwise, hopefully Banggood will address the situation. I just do want one of these soldering irons that actually works. That would be really good. And if they keep sending me ones that don't work, I'm going to be running out of USB ports on my computer. Okay. Thanks very much. All right. Bye.